Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the rigid impact to the concrete panel, which is reinforced with steel bars, and also we used uh, voided concrete slab. See, these are the sphere void inside the concrete that we use them to. Uh, this is better view. We use them to make it lighter than the normal concrete. See here, these are the voids. Okay, and let's me to check the damage first for the concrete. See, this is the damage which has happened during the analysis. Let's me to click on animate the damage here. See, this is the damage propagation. And now let me replace the first. Let me to remove the rigid body, and then let me to use view cut to see the damage. And also, okay, this is a better view. Click on animate. And the other parameters can be here. This is the pressure, the ductile damage, the plastic strain, the yield criterion, and also plastic strain for the steel bar, Johnson-Holmqist damage for the steel bar, and the stress. And we can make it, for instance, 7, and it is 1 to have a better view of the stress propagations. And let me to replace all. See, this is the stress propagation. Let me to check it in this view again. And now in this view, and let me to remove animate and check the ductile damage with exterior edge. Okay, this is a simulation and the damage which happened in the voided concrete panel. See here in this view, we can see the voids. Let me to click on animate. See the voids. Okay, okay, this is the simulation end. If you need this tutorial to model concrete damage and the rigid impact onto the reinforced concrete, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, or if you can't find this, you can search it in the search section of the website here, and then you will find it. Click on title or blue sign, and then you will have a short explanation about the geometries, assembly, material method, step interaction, load, mesh, and the result as figures here. And then The file contains CAI and pen English video file and the pay purchase material reprinted, and the cost for that is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account for the payment, or a Visa or a MasterCard. But before the payment, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.